Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Vision. My name is Harshman and this is the part 16 of the video series HDMI and CSS for the beginners. And in this video, we talk about Descendant and Child Selector. In CSS, this topic is very simple but yet very important. Let's see why and how. So now we open our VS Code. Let me enlarge my text. As usual, this is our HTML. And this is our CSS file. Let's check first how it's looking in the browser. For that, right click, open with live server. So what is Descendant and Child Selector? Let me zoom out a little bit. You can see HTML is a parent selector for our document. It's like a super grandparent for HTML. Head and body are the immediate child of it. Same as in the body, H1 is a grandchild of body. It is in respect of body, but main is a immediate child of the body. What it means? Let me show you. We can use this family tree or sandwich-like structure to drill down the desired tag. Let's target this span tag and this span tag. Let's target all the span tags in this entire document like this. Main span font size 30 pixel, font weight gold. Now what is happening right now? You are telling our CSS to find main tag, and inside main tag find all the span tag and implement this property on them. There are two span tags. Even they have different diffs, entirely other structure. It can wrap in paragraph, it's wrap in div, but the style applies to both of them because span tag is a grandchild of main element or a main tag. So if you want to specify which span tag you want to manipulate, either the first one or second one. There are several ways. Just add class span s1 and add dot span dot s1 and add your property directly like color or orange, like color orange. But there is another way. Let me comment it and show you. We need to manipulate this span tag, and this span tag is wrap between this p tag. You can assume this paragraph element is a mother for span tag, and how we can denote this? P greater than sign and span, and now we use color navy blue. Our style is applied what we want. It's that simple and easy, and you don't need to stress it, but it is super useful in this CSS context. And this is the very short video, but the important one. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep coding and improving yourself day by day. Bye bye. Take care.